Welcome to Unity Beach. I'm down here today. I want to show you why people keep coming back here time and time again and why we have over 850 owners on this park. So we're currently outside RJ's, which is one of our entertainment facilities. If you are following me, coming up on part 2, you will see us go inside all of the entertainment complexes. Over there, we've got a lovely little arcade, and we're going to continue on our journey around the park, showing you what we have to offer. So we're currently outside the fish and chip shop, absolutely beautiful. You can also get yourself some pizza over there at Central Pizza, and a laundrette if you want to do your washing and you've just arrived. And as we pan round, we've got a lovely supermarket on park as well, so you can park up here. Now this is a Sunday, so nice and quiet today, and we're going to continue on and show you some more facilities, guys. So at the moment we are currently just outside of Brean Splash. We've got a full Olympic-sized swimming pool inside. You've got the soft play area just there, so you can go inside, you can book a birthday party to have with your children. We will be exploring that in part 2, but we also have a gym upstairs as well, which we will look at. So now we've come up to Scoot and Swirl. Absolutely beautiful ice creams. It's all locally sourced as well, so you can pop up here. Just over there, you've got a theme park. You can go inside as well, which we are going to explore in part 2. So at the moment, we're just outside of the Wonky Donkey, the Pavilion Theatre and the Sports Centre. So inside there is so much to do today. We've got a carvery on, there's a live singer inside at the moment. We've got so much more to show you guys. This really is just the beginning of the journey here at Immersive. So we're outside currently, well, I'm currently sat on a donkey, but we're outside Sweet Treat. Just behind you there, we've got the theme park as well. Obviously, if you come here and you've got diabetes, make sure you bring your tablets because it does get sweet. We're going to go and explore and have a little look at the beach now, but I hope you've enjoyed what we've seen so far, guys. Guys, look at this. Come on, tell me you don't want to do a piece of this. So now we're outside the theme park, guys. Like I said, we have so much going on here. We've got a little bit of a sheet there which you can have a little look on. The theme park has so much going on inside. You've got your carousel, you've got your teacups, you've got rides for the kids, you've got everything from the little ones all the way up to the grown-ups can come down here and have fun. So for me, we're at the best beach in the UK in my opinion. You've got 7 miles of beach. It is absolutely beautiful. Over there you can see Wales in the distance where we are now, and as we pan round you can see all the way to Weston. Now you can bring your dogs on here 12 months of the year, and I like to take a walk down here on an evening just to relax, guys. Unity is an absolutely amazing place to be, so we're going to pop back now at the Country Club. So this is our premier location where they're all 20-foot lodges. You can come in here, enjoy a beautiful meal, sit out upon the terrace. You can sit by the lake. Alternatively, you can go and enjoy our 18-hole golf course, and as we spin round this way, you'll see just how beautiful this is. Now we don't have many locations left here, as you can imagine why. So now we are back at the ownership centre. So if you guys have enjoyed the tour of the outside of the park, follow us for part 2 where we're going to go inside. If you'd like to find out more about ownership, my name is Billy. I'm here all the time along with Damo, who is behind the camera. My number is 07494 083 897. Damo?
07976 827734.
If you'd like to find out anything about ownership, feel free to contact either of us. Thank you.